Imagine this. You've got a great idea. You can already picture your logo, your first customer, maybe even your future office. But then reality hits. You need a business plan. Suddenly, it feels like climbing a mountain made of spreadsheets and fancy words. Don't worry. Today, I'll show you step by step how to write a winning startup business plan that actually works, even if you've never written one before. Number 1. Why you need a business plan in the first place. Let's be honest. Most people think a business plan is just something investors ask for. But here's the truth. A solid plan is your roadmap. It's what keeps your dream from becoming chaos. Without it, you'll drift. With it, you'll know exactly where you're going, how to get there, and what to do when things go wrong. Think of it like using GPS before a road trip. You wouldn't just start driving without knowing your route, right? Same idea here. Number 2. Start with the executive summary. This is your opening scene, the movie trailer for your business. It's short, powerful, and answers one question. Why should anyone care about your idea? In 1 or 2 pages, tell the reader who you are, what problem you solve, and why now is the perfect time for your business. Example. Imagine you're launching a meal prep service for busy parents. Your summary might start like this. Parents waste hours each week planning meals. We make healthy dinners ready in minutes, helping families eat better without stress. It's simple, emotional, and clear. Number 3. Define your mission and vision. This part shows your why. Why does your business exist beyond making money? Your mission is your daily purpose. Your vision is your big picture goal. For example, if you're starting an eco-friendly clothing brand, your mission might be to make sustainable fashion affordable for everyone. Your vision could be a world where every closet helps the planet. When you connect emotion with purpose, people remember you. Number 4. Identify the problem you're solving. Every successful startup begins by solving a real problem. Ask yourself, what pain does my target customer feel every day? How does that problem affect their life? For example, Uber wasn't just about rides. It was about frustration. People hated waiting for taxis. Airbnb wasn't about travel. It was about trust and access. Define your problem so clearly that your audience nods and says, "That's exactly what I struggle with." Because if there's no real problem, there's no real business. Number 5. Present your solution. Now that you've defined the problem, here's where you become the hero. Explain how your product or service fixes the issue. Make it simple. If your startup is an app that helps people manage debt, don't just say, "We help users track expenses." Say, "We give people a clear path out of debt by showing where every dollar goes and how to save more each week." Paint a picture of relief and transformation. Let them feel the before and after. Number 6. Know your target audience. You can't sell to everyone. If you try, you'll reach no one. So who exactly are you helping? Describe your ideal customer in detail. Their age, habits, goals, struggles, everything. Example. If you're launching a budgeting app, maybe your target is young adults earning between $30,000 and $60,000 per year who feel overwhelmed managing bills and student loans. Once you know who they are, every decision, from design to pricing, becomes easier. Number 7. Research your market. This is where most beginners skip, but it's what separates real plans from dreams. You need to know how big your market is, how fast it's growing, and who your competitors are. You can use tools like Google Trends or Statista to find data. Example. Let's say you're starting a pet subscription box. You might find the USA pet industry is worth over $100 billion and growing every year. That means opportunity, but also competition. Find out what others are doing right and where they're falling short. That's where you come in. Number 8. Craft your business model. Now it's time to explain how you'll make money. Are you selling products, subscriptions, memberships, or services? If you run an online fitness brand, will you earn from courses, personal coaching, or monthly plans? Show how money flows in and out. Even a simple model is better than none. Example. You might say, "We'll charge $20 per month for access to premium workout videos and personalized coaching." With 500 customers, that's $10,000 in monthly revenue. Numbers tell your story better than buzzwords. Number 9. Outline your marketing strategy. You could have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, it doesn't matter. So how will you reach your audience? Think about content marketing, social media, partnerships, or influencer collaborations. Example: a handmade jewelry startup might grow through Instagram Reels, Etsy listings, and collaborations with eco-conscious influencers. The goal is to show how you'll get attention, convert it into sales, and keep customers coming back. Number 10, detail your operations plan. This is where you explain how things actually get done. Where will your business operate from? Who's responsible for what? How will you deliver your product or service efficiently? If you're launching an online business, maybe operations include website management, shipping, and customer support. Example: a small coffee roasting startup might describe its workflow like this. We roast beans twice a week, package orders daily, and ship nationwide from our local facility. It shows you've thought about logistics, not just ideas. Number 11. Introduce your team. People invest in people, not just plans. Even if it's just you, highlight your strengths. If you have partners, describe how each person adds value. Example: Sarah handles marketing with 5 years of social media experience. Mike manages operations after running logistics for a local food brand. If you're solo, mention your advisors or mentors. It builds trust. Number 12. Create a financial plan. Here's where the math comes in, but don't panic. Start simple. Estimate your startup costs, projected income, and expenses for at least the first year. If you're unsure, research what similar businesses spend. Example: a small bakery might have startup costs like $25,000 for equipment, $5,000 for marketing, and $10,000 for rent and supplies. Then, show expected sales growth. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to make sense. You can also include your break-even point, the moment your revenue equals to your expenses. That's the milestone every entrepreneur looks forward to. Number 13. Plan for funding. If you need outside money, explain how much and what it's for. Will you raise funds through investors, loans, or crowdfunding? Example: we're seeking $50,000 to build our app and cover marketing for the first 6 months. Be specific. Show confidence that the investment will lead to measurable growth. Number 14. Include a risk and backup plan. Even the best ideas face challenges. Identify what could go wrong and how you'll handle it. Maybe your supplier runs out of stock, or your app faces tech bugs. What's your backup? Investors love founders who think ahead. It shows maturity and realism. Example: if supplier prices rise, we'll switch to a regional partner to maintain our margins. It's not pessimistic, it's professional. Number 15. Keep it visual and easy to read. Remember, a business plan isn't meant to bore people. Add visuals, charts, or mock-ups if you can. Use plain language. Avoid fancy jargon like synergy or scalable ecosystem. Example: instead of saying, "we'll leverage omnichannel strategies," just say, "we'll sell online and in local stores." Clarity beats complexity every time. Number 16. Review, edit, and evolve. A winning plan is never finished. It grows as your business grows. Review it every few months, adjust your goals, and update your numbers. Think of it like a living document, your business playbook that evolves as you learn. Many startups fail because they stop reviewing. The winners adapt. Number 17. End with a strong call to action in your plan. Not a like and subscribe kind of call to action, but a real one for yourself or investors. Example: we're ready to launch our beta version next month and expand nationwide within 1 year. It shows direction, urgency, and ambition, the traits every successful entrepreneur needs. Number 18. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. Your USP is what makes your business stand out in a crowded market. Ask yourself, why should customers choose you over someone else? Maybe it's your price, your quality, your story, or your approach. Example: if you're starting a coffee shop, your USP might be locally roasted beans delivered straight from small farmers. That's more memorable than just saying great coffee. Your USP should be short, clear, and instantly understandable. Number 19. Set clear short-term and long-term goals. Your business plan should not just explain what you want to do, but also when and how you'll do it. Short-term goals might include launching your website, securing your first 50 customers, or getting local press coverage. Long-term goals might be reaching $1 million in revenue or expanding to multiple cities. Adding specific goals helps you measure success and stay accountable. Remember, goals without deadlines are just wishes. Number 20. Include a SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a simple yet powerful tool to understand your business from every angle. Example: strength, low startup cost. Weakness, small marketing budget. Opportunity, growing online demand. Threat, large competitors. This analysis keeps you realistic while helping you prepare for challenges ahead. It also shows investors you've done your homework. Number 21. Describe your pricing strategy. Pricing can make or break a startup. If you charge too little, you'll struggle to survive. If you charge too much, customers may walk away. Explain how you'll set your prices based on costs, competition, or customer value. Example: if you sell handmade candles, you might price them slightly higher than competitors to reflect premium ingredients and small batch production. Clarity in pricing builds trust and confidence. Number 22. Plan your customer experience. A winning business plan thinks beyond the sale. Ask, what will your customers feel before, during, and after buying from you? Example: a clothing brand might add thank you notes in each package or offer easy returns to make customers feel valued. Customer experience is what turns buyers into repeat customers and brand advocates. When people love the experience, they do your marketing for you. Number 23. Build a digital presence strategy. Every modern startup needs a strong online presence. Outline how you'll use your website, email marketing, and social media to connect with customers. Example: a small bakery might post daily stories of fresh batches on Instagram or share recipes on YouTube to engage followers. Your digital footprint is your storefront in today's world. Make sure it looks professional, consistent, and welcoming. Number 24. Plan for scalability. Think ahead. What happens if your idea takes off faster than expected? How will you handle 10 times more customers or orders? Example: if you're selling online courses, can your website handle more traffic? Do you have enough instructors or support staff? A good business plan includes how you'll grow without collapsing under success. Scalability turns small ideas into big businesses. Number 25. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs. You can't improve what you don't measure. Set clear metrics that define progress, like sales growth, customer retention, or profit margin. Example: a subscription box company might track monthly renewal rate as a key KPI. KPIs help you make decisions based on data, not emotion. They keep your business honest and on track. Number 26. Highlight social and environmental impact. Today's consumers care about purpose. If your business helps people or the planet, make that part of your plan. Example: a packaging startup might use recycled materials and donate $1 per sale to tree planting. Social impact isn't just good for the world. It attracts loyal customers and investors. It gives your business heart. Number 27. Outline your exit strategy. It might sound early, but investors love founders who think long-term. How will you eventually step back, sell, or expand? Example: maybe you plan to sell your company to a larger brand after 5 years, or expand internationally once you reach certain revenue. It shows foresight and maturity, proving you're not just building for today, but for the future. Writing a startup business plan doesn't have to be scary. It's not about perfection, it's about clarity. The clearer your plan, the easier it is to turn your idea into something real. So here's my question for you. If you had to start your dream business today, what problem would you solve first?